Today, we're gonna be blind taste testing some Chardonnay wines ranging from $10 to $55.
We're gonna let you know which of these wines we like the best and if spending a little extra cash is worth it. Let's dive into these babies. Coming in at $10 is the Josh Chardonnay. This is a medium body wine. It's said to have notes of citrus, honey, a touch of oak, and a hint of juicy peach.
Ooh, I love some juicy
Peachy.
Next up is the Calling Chardonnay, and it is $33. It's got notes of lemon and Honeycrisp apple.
And then our most expensive, Farniente at $55. This is said to have aromatics of melon, hazelnut, orange, and notes of fig and citrus fruit. So we mixed up all of the wines. We don't know which is which. We're gonna taste them and let you know what we think.
Okay, disclaimer, we are not sommeliers. And another disclaimer is,
Don't come for us.
I truly don't really drink Chardonnay that much. So I'm just honestly going like a virgin into this. Yeah.
Okay, so A.
Let's smell A.
Okay, that one smells good. Kind of smells a little nutty too.
Ooh, this is smooth. This is smooth.
It goes down easy.
Super easy, yeah.
I could kill a glass of this and that says a lot for me.
I
It goes down
like
water.
this. I like this, and I don't usually like white wine. I feel like now, if I do drink white wine, like I don't know which one it is, but I think I'll drink this one. It's light. I really like it.
B time.
Okay, let's smell this one.
Okay, this one has a stronger scent. I don't know if it's a good stronger, but it smells stronger. Okay, I'm getting notes of pear, maybe.
I don't smell.
Maybe.
Okay, let's taste it.
Apple or pear.
Sometimes wine tastes like metal to me, and this kind of tasted like a little bit of metal. This is not for me. I don't like it.
It has a bad aftertaste. Okay.
I didn't like that one.
C.
Ooh.
This one smells good.
This one smells like
Apple juice.
things. Yes, like apple juice. This one's apple juice.
Yeah. It does taste like apple juice.
I don't hate it. I think it's good. This one, I don't like it. Not for me. This is the B, is not for me. Okay. I think I like A the best. You can taste the quality in this. It is beautiful.
Okay, so I'm gonna go
Yes.
with A. I think this one is really smooth. It goes down easy, and that says a lot for me because I don't drink wine that often, and I can really down this. So Farniente A.
Before this video, I did not like Chardonnay. I just want to say I didn't like it because I think I had like super inexpensive ones. This made me change my mind. So if y'all love Chardonnay and y'all haven't had Farniente, like we are not sponsored, go get it. It's good. But also go get it from Bartenders. But also go get it from bartenders.com because they deliver it directly to your door. It is worth the money. Definitely go get that more expensive
Spend a little
wine.
extra cash on your wine. But if you're balling on a budget, the less expensive ones, they're okay too. But the expensive one, that one goes down really good, you know what I'm saying?
It's
Like water.
like